How to fix Disney Plus app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check the internet speed. Open any of the browser and then type in internet speed test and search for it. With that, you're gonna find tons of website options. You can open any of these. After you open any of the website, it's gonna check your internet speed. The minimum internet speed required to run such an app is 10 to 20 megabytes. If you have stable internet connection, you will be good to go. Now heading towards next solution, open your App Store or Play Store. Now you have to search for the app Disney Plus. After app appears, you will see the option of open or update. Click on the option of update and update your Disney Plus app to its latest version. Heading towards next solution, long press on your app, click on the option of app info. At the bottom, you'll see the option of clear data. Click on it, click on clear cache, click on OK. Again, click on clear all data, click on OK. Likewise, you can click on force stop. After you apply all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Disney Plus app not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.